In this super short video, I will show you how to delegate access to someone to be a manager or owner of your Google business profile. So Google your business. You want to make sure you see this grid here. If you do not see this grid and you just see search results, you are not in the appropriate Google account that manages and that or owns that Google business profile. If you want to dig deeper, you want to click here and then you want to click this business profile manager, and that will certainly help you out. Once you're here, click these three dots, business profile settings, and then people and access. You have got to be a primary owner or an owner to delegate access. Why would you want to give somebody access to respond to reviews, to manage the Google business profile? There's a million reasons why you would want to do that, but it's very simple, very cut and dry. You can also see if there's older people that are in there that should not be in there, such as a server or a staff member that used to manage it. But as the owner of a business, you always want to make sure you are primary owner. It's primary owner and then manager underneath of that. So I hope that helps you. In my festive gear, we had our holiday party today. So if you have any questions or need help with your Google business profile, Nick from PlatinumReputations.com. Thank you so much for watching.